Welcome back to Useful AI Hacks, your source for the latest breakthroughs, hacks, and news in artificial intelligence. Today's story is a game changer. OpenAI, the creator of ChatGPT, has just struck an unprecedented deal with Google Cloud, despite being a direct rival in the AI race. What's behind this surprising partnership, and what does it mean for the AI future? Let's dive right in. So why would OpenAI turn to Google, a direct rival, for cloud computing? The answer lies in the sheer scale and resources needed to train and run today's most advanced AI models. OpenAI's latest models, like GPT-4 and beyond, require enormous amounts of computing power.
We're getting a news alert on Alphabet and OpenAI this morning. According to Reuters, OpenAI is planning to add Alphabet's Google Cloud service to meet its growing needs for computing capacity. That's an interesting move, given that Google is deeply involved in its own AI efforts, obviously. The report notes that the partnership is also a way for OpenAI to diversify beyond its reliance on Microsoft's compute power. But regardless, this is going to be a 4-month high, Sarah, on Alphabet shares, which we know had some difficult times in April and May.
Well, it's just so interesting to see competitors, partner, frenemies, right? Because they compete with OpenAI on DeepMind, and they compete on search as people are increasingly turning to search on ChatGPT. And then Google, Alphabet, and Microsoft compete, obviously. So it's just interesting to see all these relationships form and these partnerships in the race.
By tapping into Google's cloud, OpenAI gains access to some of the world's most advanced data centers, specialized AI chips, and networking capabilities. This allows them to train larger models faster, deploy AI services more reliably, and scale up to meet global demand. According to sources, this partnership is unprecedented in its scope. While financial terms haven't been disclosed, the deal signals a new era where even the most competitive AI companies may need to rely on each other's infrastructure to push the boundaries of what's possible. OpenAI will continue to use Microsoft Azure as its primary cloud provider. Microsoft is also a major investor in OpenAI, but will supplement its operations with Google Cloud's unique capabilities. This multi-cloud approach helps OpenAI avoid bottlenecks, increase resilience, and access the best hardware available. You might be wondering, why would Google help a rival? The answer is twofold. First, cloud computing is a massive business for Google, and landing a client as big as OpenAI is a huge win. And second, it demonstrates Google's cloud's technological leadership and ability to support the world's most demanding AI workloads. For Google, this partnership is also a way to showcase its latest AI chips and infrastructure, potentially attracting other high-profile customers in the future. This deal is a sign of just how resource-intensive and competitive the AI industry has become. As AI models grow in complexity, even the largest tech companies can't go it alone. We're entering an era where collaboration, even among rivals, may be necessary to keep advanced technology thriving. For businesses and developers, this means more reliable and powerful AI services. For consumers, it could accelerate the rollout of new AI features in products we use every day. The OpenAI-Google deal could set a precedent for future partnerships in the AI space, as companies seek to balance innovation and the massive costs of training AI. Expect to see more cross-company collaborations, even among competitors. It also raises questions about the concentration of power in the hands of the few tech giants. With so much of the world's AI running on just a handful of cloud platforms, issues of competition, access, and control will become more important. So what does this mean for you? If you're building with AI, consider a multi-cloud strategy to maximize performance and reliability. Stay updated on the latest cloud offerings, new hardware, and services, and choosing the right provider can make a big difference. And for everyday users, keep an eye out for the new AI-powered features in your favorite apps. With more computing power behind the scenes, expect smarter, faster, and more capable AI tools in the months ahead. Well, that's it for today's AI news update. OpenAI and Google Cloud partnership is a landmark moment, showing just how fast the AI landscape is evolving. If you found this update useful, don't forget to tap that subscribe button, like the video, and share it with your friends. In addition to tapping that bell so you get notified when the next useful AI hacks video launches tomorrow at 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. We'll see you then.